1966 Ford Mustang Coupe here at Unique, especially in classics. 289 V8 power underneath the hood. Speaking of hood, it is a fiberglass cowl hood, as you can see. 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front chrome. It does have the GT style driving lights or fog lights. Another thing I want to let you know about is this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. That can be done at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures of this. Got a chance to see the hood, as you can see the black stripe over gold. This is an original gold car. Black standard vinyl interior. Polished wheels. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, but you can see seatbelt's intact. Does have a setup for a center console. Of course, the shifter on the floor. There's also a Pioneer stereo that is in the glove box. It does work. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Taillight surrounds, dual exhaust. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you can see paint's not perfect on this one. I mean, there's a few imperfections here and there. But hey, it's been driven. Get in it, turn the key, go. Have some fun. Sounds good with that 289 underneath the hood. Just kind of take a peek down the driver's side here. A little closer look at this interior. You can also see the door tag in the still pictures. If you want to do any decoding on that, you'll be able to see the VIN stamped in the driver's front inner fender. You can see the seats are really free of any major wear, rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Headliner's good in this one. 6x9s in the rear deck. I've also had the wipers working. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Oh, aftermarket auto gauge tack or auto meter tack on the steering column. That does work. Other than that, the dash looks pretty stock. And again, Pioneer radio in the glove box here, and that is in working order. Responsive. 289, no doubt about that. Step around the back so you hear it run. Go ahead and open this hood. I think I might be able to get this one one-handed, possibly. Not going through that fiberglass hood. Let me pause this a second. It's going to take me 2 hands. Let's get this hood open. Check out the engine bay. There's the underside of the hood. V8 power. Some chrome dress up underneath there with a valve cover, an air cleaner cover. Then we have headers. Four-barrel car, Edelbrock intake manifold. Service department recently turned the drums on this vehicle also, just so you know. Clean, tidy engine bay. Sounds good, looks good under there. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Remember, it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. Phone number 507-386-1726. All the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1966 Ford Mustang. Gold with black stripes. We have a cowl induction hood on this car. Aftermarket tachometer mounted to the column. Both our blinker indicators are working. We've not got any sound out of the radio, but the wipers do function. This is a manual transmission mounted to a center console that looks custom made, wrapped in a vinyl to match the seats. Our gauges are all appearing to function. Temperature is just under half. Amps are a little over half. Oil pressure is just under half. And the fuel is just over half. Good acceleration, smooth acceleration from this Mustang. Seems that the windows are sealed up nicely. I'm not getting much for wind noise. Nice all black interior to match those black stripes. Brakes are working good. The blower motor does work on this Mustang. Fun driving that 4-speed. Definitely want to check out the 66 Mustang.